Courtney Labelle has been found guilty of second-degree murder. The 37-year-old Thunder Bay woman was arrested in January 2020 following the stabbing death of her 11-year-old son. The jury of 6 men and 6 women handed down their verdict at 8 o'clock last night after about 3.5 hours of deliberations following the 2-week trial. They had 2 choices, either find Labelle guilty of second-degree murder or guilty of the lesser charge of manslaughter. In the end, the jury unanimously chose the more serious offense. The assistant Crown attorneys handling the case spoke outside the city courthouse following the verdict.
This has been a difficult case. It's a very tragic situation and a difficult case to put forward. Some difficult evidence in particular. Some of the photographs and video that had to go in to evidence was difficult. Really appreciate the effort and attention that the jury played to the details. We asked them to come back with a finding of guilty of second-degree murder, and that's what they've done.
I would like to commend the officers of the Thunder Bay Police Service and the EMS, paramedics and fire that responded on January 1st, 2020. It was evident in meeting with them and hearing their evidence on the stand that the loss of that young boy on January 1st, 2020 deeply impacted them, and I commend them for their efforts to render aid to him on that night.
Labelle broke down in tears following the verdict, which comes with an automatic life sentence. The next step is for the judge to decide how many years Labelle must serve in jail before becoming eligible for parole. The range is from 10 to 25 years. The jurors each provided their own opinions to the judge on that last night, but their recommendations weren't disclosed. The parties will be back in court on November 28th to set a date for a sentencing hearing.